Well, good morning everybody. Hopefully you can hear me okay. Finally got out to do some wildlife photography. I had a horrible situation with a vehicle that broke down. I was just unable to repair it. I spent a lot of money redoing the electrical. Water still kept getting in, so I had to jump ship. So now that I've secured another vehicle, got all my registration, insurance and all that hoopla done, now I'm finally able to get back out here. So right now I paddled around for a little while and I've seen a juvenile eagle, an adult eagle, I've seen a beaver, some fish jump like that one right there. Let's see here, what else have I seen? I've seen some ducks, all different kinds. Apparently I'm in a good spot because the fish are jumping right beside me. Figures I didn't bring my pole. But anyway, I'm going to spin this around. Don't know if you can hear that in the background, but that's an adult eagle. So far I'm near a nest. I'm quite a ways away just so I don't bother them, but there goes another fish, sorry. So I'll spin you around in the direction of the nest because this is a wide angle GoPro. Who knows if you'll be able to see it or not, but it's still pretty cool looking. So I'll give you a 360 of what I'm looking at here. Just give you a gentle spin around and try to keep it straight here. Yeah, so far so good. I've seen a couple of cool things. I haven't been out in months, really. I had to buy a rack for my vehicle, for my kayak, so I could travel safely without it falling off, causing an accident, you know, the whole 9 yards. But so anyway, oops. So anyway, hopefully you enjoy this video. I don't know how long it will be. It will depend on what I see and what I don't see. But after I get some shots, I'll try to, you know, record some of just gliding across the water. Right now I'm in a big mess of lily pads, but it's holding me still so I can watch the nest and, you know, look for action. I'm bringing in maybe a fish or, you know, the adult checking in on the bigger babies now. I've missed them since little hatchlings. Now they're full-grown giant crow size. But anyway, enough rambling. I've got to get back to watching so I can make sure I don't miss anything. And it is overcast, so I can't promise the pictures are going to be, you know, immaculate, but I will do what I can. Just getting out, fresh air, getting a chance to see all this stuff is really awesome. So I'll get back to you in a bit. But got to do everything safely and stay as far away as I can, so that way I'm not bothering them. It's cool to observe the wildlife, but the last thing you want to do is get too close and stress them out. You could cost them a feeding, or you could allow a distraction enough for a predator to come through. As far as eagles go in this area, we have peregrine falcons that will sneak in and try to steal the babies. They're pretty mean. I used to like them till I found out what they did to eagles, because eagles are my favorite bird. But now we're going to paddle around and see what we can find. this corner. So if we get any great blue herons, I don't want to spook them. Not just because I don't want to startle them, but the last thing you want is a big angry bird like that coming at you. We thought the Angry Birds game was intense. You get a great blue heron mad and you get some serious problems. So hopefully we can just kind of weasel our way back up this way. Doesn't look like the adult eagles on this side of the nest, so just going to keep on paddling. Got a little bit of the current going. Could be a good practice run for me, seeing how I haven't paddled in so long. Get out and get some more exercises. Oh, I can see an eagle from here sitting in a tree. I can see the white head. I'd spin the camera around, but there's really no way you're going to see it. You know what? Maybe I will spin it around just in case it flies off while I'm paddling. Bear with me a second. Obviously the GoPro can be zoomed in some. For now, I don't know if you can see this far or not, but there's a tree right over there, and the little white dot in the groove of the tree or the crotch of the tree, that's a bald eagle sitting there. I don't know if it was the same one I encountered earlier, but I'll tell you one thing, it sure is pretty cool to just paddle around and see stuff. Even if I don't get the pictures, it's something that's in real life experience is really, I don't know, I guess you could say kind of intense. You know, they are raptors, they're predator birds. They're capable of doing some serious damage to humans. So you gotta approach from a distance, and you gotta keep a reasonable amount of respect for their space. Kingfisher over there. I don't know how well the picture will come out because they don't like to hold still. So I'm slowly working my way closer. He keeps flying further away, so just have to kind of take what we can get. Yep, there he goes. The way I'm catching him. Especially now the wind's picked up, we're pushing through the current. It's supposed to be almost no wind today. He's going to fly right over me. Yeah, he's going to the other side where I just came from. I'm not paddling all the way back there, just a chance that I might see him. Alright. So far, no great blue herons. Really kind of hoping for one. Oh, there's another kingfisher. Slow down and see what he does. Who knows, maybe I can get a picture. He's gonna keep going, that's fine. Probably out hunting fish. When I was paddling when I first got here, there was little like minnow-sized fish that were just jumping right out of the water. So for small birds that eat fish like that, that's like that's like an all-you-can-eat buffet, so that's why they're so busy. Alright, almost there. And then I gotta make a choice. Do I throw this on the wheels and wheel it down to another spot, or do I cross the partition road and go into the next section of water, which is probably nothing but lily pads. Not exactly a thrill to go through it, but what can you do, right?